Hello everyone, and welcome to Info Knowledge 911. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, the fear of flying. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who has never set foot on a plane, the anxiety associated with flying is real. But fear not, because in this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you overcome that fear and make your flying experience more enjoyable. First things first, it's essential to understand where your fear is coming from. Is it a fear of heights, loss of control, or maybe just the unknown? Once you identify the root cause, you can start addressing it more effectively. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about flying, the less mysterious and scary it becomes. Research how airplanes work, understand the safety measures in place, and familiarize yourself with the statistics of air travel safety. This information can help dispel myths and ease your mind. Practice deep breathing exercises to manage anxiety. When you're on a plane, taking slow, deep breaths can help calm your nervous system. Try inhaling for a count of 4, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. Repeat this process to help regulate your breathing and reduce stress. Close your eyes and visualize a calm and relaxing place. Picture yourself enjoying a beautiful beach, a serene forest, or any place that brings you peace. Engaging in positive visualization can help shift your focus away from fear and anxiety. Keep yourself distracted during the flight. Bring along a good book, listen to soothing music, or watch a movie. Keeping your mind occupied can significantly reduce anxious thoughts and make the journey more pleasant. So there you have it, a few practical tips to help you conquer the fear of flying. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can make your flying experience a positive one. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Info Knowledge 911 for more informative content. Safe travels everyone.